Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake mix better. To start, swap out the water called for on the box with an equal amount of whole milk. This simple change adds richness. Next, incorporate one additional large egg than the recipe suggests, which will give your cake a more luxurious texture. Finally, use melted butter instead of vegetable oil for a truly buttery flavor and a wonderfully tender crumb. These 3 easy substitutions will significantly elevate your boxed cake. Let's boost those flavors. A teaspoon of good quality vanilla extract can deepen the overall taste profile of almost any cake. For an incredibly moist cake with a delightful tang, stir in about a half cup of sour cream or plain Greek yogurt. And for an extra layer of flavor and a denser texture, try adding a small 3.4-ounce box of instant pudding mix, matching the cake's flavor. Achieving the perfect texture and moisture is key. For chocolate cakes, swap 1/4 cup of the flour with 1/4 cup of good quality cocoa powder to intensify the chocolate flavor. Instead of water, use strong brewed coffee in chocolate mixes. It enhances the chocolate without adding a coffee taste. For an unbelievably moist and tender cake, stir in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now for the fun part, creative additions and frosting. Before baking, fold in about 1 cup of chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or fresh berries to add delightful bursts of flavor and texture. For a quick and elegant finish, whisk together powdered sugar and a splash of milk to create a simple glaze. Or, for a truly gourmet experience, whip up a batch of homemade buttercream frosting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.